Stop wasting chest day. These 6 exercises will explode your chest growth fast. If you want a bigger, stronger chest, watch this till the end. Exercise 1 Flat Bench Barbell Press. If you want a bigger and stronger chest, you must include at least one heavy compound lift in your routine, and the flat barbell bench press is the king of them all. Lie flat on the bench and grab the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Make sure your wrists stay neutral and steady. Lower the bar slowly to the mid-chest area, then press it back up while squeezing your chest. Keep the form tight. Do for sets of 8 to 12 representatives. Exercise 2. Incline Dumbbell Press. This movement builds your upper chest, giving your chest that round, full look. Set your bench at a 30 to 45 degrees incline and lie back holding dumbbells. Lower the weights with full control and press them up while contracting your upper chest. This is a true game changer, don't skip it. Perform for sets of 8 to 12 representatives. Exercise 3. Dumbbell Low Fly. A great beginner-friendly exercise for isolating the upper and inner chest. Stand upright with dumbbells in both hands. With a slight bend at the elbows, lift the dumbbells upward in front of you. Lower them slowly and stretch the chest as deep as possible. Avoid swinging, focus on full, quality representatives. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 representatives. Exercise 4. Dumbbell Swing Press. A unique but very effective movement that targets the inner chest and strengthens your core. Hold a single dumbbell close to your chest. Push it forward while squeezing your inner chest, then bring it back slowly. This is one of the best inner chest activators, definitely try it. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 representatives. Exercise 5. Machine Fly. One of the safest and most controlled isolation exercises, especially great for beginners. Set the machine according to your height, grab the handles, and keep a slight bend in your elbows. Bring the handles together in front of your chest and hold them for a second. Then slowly return to the starting fly position to stretch your chest. Machines help maintain perfect form, use them. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 representatives. Exercise 6. Chest Dips. A classic bodyweight move that hits the lower chest and triceps while delivering an intense pump. Grab the dip bars with a firm grip and lift your body. Lean forward slightly and lower yourself slowly. Push back up to the starting position. Beginners can use an assisted dip machine or a training partner. Aim for 3 sets of max representatives.